just the conversation is just creating a quick pop-up. So let's go back to our site, and we're going to go to templates, and we're going to go to pop-ups, and we're going to add a new
Pop-ups
pop-up.
are like these are fantastic for a variety of things because the biggest like deterrent for people on your website is like page load. So if
Yes.
you can have something as a pop-up that doesn't need its own designated page, it takes like everything to the next level.
What would you like this? Do you want this an informational pop-up? Do you want to make a menu pop-up? Do you want to
Dude,
do...
this site is like our the sake of this site's built so trashy that we should do like something really funny with this
Okay.
pop-up.
All
Like
right.
let's see. Request your edits.
Request your edits. So we're going to create a template. And like always, since I'm building, Tyler's going to pick the template.
I'm thinking that watermelon one.
I was thinking this one.
No, one up. Or
One
sorry,
up.
that's a cactus.
Oh, this one?
No, let's do the one that you had right below it.
This
The one
one?
that says, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I like that. We'll use the standard graphic in it.
Yeah, we'll just keep the we'll keep the grapefruit because we don't make lemons here. We make grapefruits. All right, so we're gonna do request your edit 50% off. We will do it eventually.
It's like getting cut. I love it. We'll keep it like that. Hire us. We're professional web designers.
All right, what do you want for this little tagline?
We are professional web designers. Sorry for laughing so much. This is so funny. Just like this is like the crummiest site I think like you and I have ever built for the. But I mean, like we built a one-page site in about
Yeah.
2 hours
I'm impressed.
with hosting too.
With hosting. All right, so typography, we're gonna go to M's and we're gonna do. That's good. I like this. I like the way it is, to be honest. I like how it's cut off. All right. So we do need a form that they can submit. So there is a form widget in here that we can use.
No, get rid of the form.
All right. So we're gonna get rid of the form.
And get it. Let's set that to that link.
Okay.
Hit the cogwheel.
Yep.
And then oh shit, sorry, not the cogwheel, the one by it.
Dynamic
Dynamic
tags.
tags. Yeah, and then let's do contact URL.
Let's see.
Oh, down. Down. Actions. Yep, contact URL. And then click contact URL again. Like, and then type. Let's do. They can text us or whatever you want.
Yeah, text us anytime.
Put my number in or your number. It doesn't matter.
All right. Well, I'm thinking of a number between 1 and 5.
3.
Okay, it's your number. You got it right. What's your number?
860-576-0876.
Do not abuse this, guys.
I'm gonna regret this.
Okay, contact URL, and then get it needs to be a little bit more aggressive.
Submit your request.
Text me anytime. Winky face. All right. So let's talk about buttons, because I think buttons are the most like underappreciated things ever. You can do some really cool things with buttons. So let's get rid of this. We're gonna make this white and transparent, and then you can add, let's see, border, solid, and then this is the cool thing. So you can add a border to the bottom, and then you can make the color. We'll make it one of our dynamic colors. Like blue, And we're going to add some padding to the bottom more. Oh, I see. Get rid of that. We're going to give it a box shadow so that you guys can see it. And then last but not least, we're going to have to probably change the text color.
And a hover effect.
And a hover effect. So we'll do something dark. I want darker. Maybe we'll just go black. Is black too much?
Perfect.
All right.
With this site, I think anything we do is fine.
All right, background color. We'll give it a little bit of shade. We'll throw some shade in there. Yeah, how about we do this because this looks fresh. Now we'll make it white. There we go. Or maybe we should copy that. But fine, it's fine for now. This is what I get involved with too much is the color and the motion. All right. So now hover. I think the hover should probably do something ridiculous. Like
spin.
Spin is always ridiculous. Is there a spin? No. What
There's
about
something that's like ridiculous. Like
I like Bob. Grow and rotate.
yeah.
All right, that is beautiful. All right, so the only thing that's killing me is, and I'll change that in a second. So grow and rotate's fine. We're gonna publish this. So these are the conditions, triggers, and rules. Let's talk about this.
So conditions, like we want this on the entire site. So this is going to appear on the entire site. So, I mean, again, kind of like the header, footer, stuff like that. Triggers, this is where it's important. I was thinking like this happens 5-10 seconds after someone comes to the page.
Okay, so on page load, and we'll add 5 seconds.
But this gives you so many options. So instead of like on page load, you could do it like how much they've scrolled through, or on scroll to a certain element, or if they click something in particular, or after inactivity, or on page exit intent. That's another good one.
This was a great one. Yeah, I think we should do that one. When you try to leave, we're gonna
spam you.
We're gonna spam you.
Advanced rules. These are like things where it's like if you don't want it to show continuously, but I mean since it's only exiting page intent, like we'll have this pop up every time.
We'll save.
We don't want you to leave.
All right. The only thing I want to check out is if you go down to the settings tool, you'll actually be customizing the pop-up. So we can do a little bit of space, and now we can come in here and give it a little bit of padding. I like to unclick this, and I always do M's. I'm just going to give it a little bit of padding. And
to each their own.
What was that? To each their own?
Yeah, I use % generally.
Let's see. The width is fine. The height's fine. I actually prefer view height. That's nice right there. Text me anytime, winky face. Overlay. Okay, yeah, definitely want that.
Oh, yeah, I was gonna say, what are you doing? We want that overlay.
I don't think this will stay here, but
no, it won't. It won't. It will show up on like the page that we have this.
Yeah. Okay, so that's perfect. Text me anytime is perfect. The only thing I was trying to fix was I don't like this little slider. I was trying to get that to fix, but let's update it and see what it looks like.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna go home. Oops, nope, different home. Exit out of that. Exit to dashboard. Let's. Oh, look at that! You want to leave? I don't think so. Text me anytime.
That's how we keep that bounce rate down.
All right, so we're gonna do this.